Hi, and welcome to this short video that explains how to create and use Clarity Hierarchies to visually represent all the people and work in your value streams. In this video, we will be using an example of a fictitious bank named Headmoral that is creating and using a Clarity Hierarchy to represent the projects, products, and other investments in its digital banking value stream. Clarity Hierarchies enable stakeholders to connect business strategies to the work needed to achieve those strategies. The hierarchy can aggregate value delivery metrics at the value stream level to provide transparency and forge a long-term plan for each digital product and show stakeholders accountability of delivery. Let's see how Ian, the digital banking product manager at Headmoral, leverages hierarchies and Clarity to structure the people and work in his product's value stream. When we examine the current investments for Headmoral, we see multiple projects that support the digital banking value stream. We can pull these investments and other work items needed into a new digital banking value stream hierarchy. Let's create a new hierarchy to organize all the work and people relevant to the digital banking product. We can now import all the investments that are associated with the digital banking product. Let's start by importing all the relevant projects into the Hierarchies page. We can then import all other objects that are associated with the digital banking product. All the relevant investments are now available as cards on the Hierarchies page. Let's configure the display settings for these investment cards before defining the relationships between them. The investment cards are currently colored based on their work status. The name of the cards is set to be the name of the investment. We can set it to any other attribute that may be relevant to your organization. We can also configure the investment cards to show a maximum of 4 fields. In this scenario, we can see the finish date, the investment manager, and progress on the portfolio Epic cards. We also have the ability to customize the fields we see for each investment type imported into the hierarchy. We can also see various metrics associated with the investment on the card. Let's configure the card to display the planned cost, the planned ROI, and the planned benefit. We can now create links between investment cards in the hierarchy. Let's select a child and drag it across the parent to create a relationship. The hierarchy tree will refresh every time you add or remove a link or an investment. We now have a hierarchy for the digital banking application releases product of Headmoral Bank. Clarity enables you to select from 5 different layouts. We will leave the horizontal layout selected. Hierarchies include a capability to define aggregation or calculation metrics. Hierarchy rollups is automated when defined metrics are applied to an investment type. Also, you can right-click on an investment card to view a context-sensitive menu that enables you to import or hide children, hide parents, or delete the card. You can also choose to view your hierarchies using a timeline view that maintains the hierarchical relationships on the left side of the screen or in a grid format. Now you should understand how to create and customize Clarity hierarchies that visualize the relationships between investments in your organization.